Imagine walking down the street, your sneakers turning heads and completing your outfit with that perfect touch of cool. Whether it's a casual day out or a bold fashion statement, your shoes are the foundation of your style. With KICKWHO, we know style starts from the ground up. We believe great fashion doesn't have to cost a fortune. And here's a special tip for our sneakerheads. Use the discount code DECENT20 to get an extra 10% off your first purchase at the website KICKWHO.cc. It's not just about saving money, it's about investing in your style. Step up your fashion game.
Papa San, bitch got ice. I'm the man, mama never nice. She from Japan, looking so tight. I never land, straight all night. Rubies on my wrist, diamonds is the shit. Feet for my bit, check out all these tits. I just got a Lambo, ain't no make a wish, no. Like it's full of beef, yeah, I don't eat no fish, no. Look at all these chicks. 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 I just bought a cool, just to flex on you. Rari shoe, cause I'm mad for you. I just sold them too, bitch I never do. Freezer too, cause I flex for you. Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit. Cause I'm ballin', look at all these chicks. 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 Look at all these chicks.
Yeah, I'm in your town, I'm coming your way, just wait up. Me and my team ain't taking no L's, I told them you don't wanna play us. We going out town with a flight in the morning, said fuck it, I'm just gonna stay up. Remember last year, I told them the price, and now they all wanna pay up. They hit me now, they coming too late, all I reply is just save up. Me and my guys, we did it ourselves, so no one can say that they made us. They gave me the shit, they trying to guard me, I told them you gotta go straight up.